Dad wants to speak with you.
Oh, did I forget to tell you about the paycheck? Mom said she's going to give you your paycheck tomorrow.
No problema.
Did he say why he called?
I don't know, Nina. He did not say.
Hey, Dad.
We need to go.
What?
We need to go. No time for questions.
Where?
No time for questions. Say you're sick. I'm picking you up in 5. I have all your stuff.
Where are we going?
Just get in the car. I'm in the car. I'll get you. Just calm down. I'll explain everything later. Here, toss that in the back.
Don't slow down. What's going on?
I don't know. I think I fucked up.
What happened?
Your mother ran off.
What?
She ran off. She left me.
She left us?
Yeah.
What about Buddy?
She took the dog with her.
What?
She took the dog with her.
Where did they go?
I don't know.
Wait, but what
We have to stick together now, okay?
Wait, but...
She just left, all right? I'm sorry. I shouldn't yell at you. We're gonna get you to Grandma's, okay?
Okay.
Just no more questions, okay?
Okay.
You trust me?
I trust you.